Warrior, this is Ben with Vessel Futures Trading. We're back in the market and look at this beauty. We are on schedule going back to the Nasdaq exactly from the point that we talked about yesterday. Is then before continue the rally up towards the supply area, the major supply area. Let us see how does it look in the day. And we see obviously it's an uptrend. The price behave exactly as expected, breaking every demand, every supply, going up and down, reaching the supply, and now flip and reverse when it lands on yesterday's demand. And we talked about yesterday, we covered yesterday. We're still within the long position. Those of you who are did the swing trading with us for one contract and stand alone today, stacking on about 83k, which is amazing. With your swing traded this position, hopefully you're gonna see it all the way to the 103. Congratulations to those who hold this position. It was not a whole easy position to hold, especially when you see the price fluctuate so much. So congrats. So within the day, of course, we're gonna look for the long position. Where we're gonna see it, let's talk about it a bit. I want to say good morning to my Discord community. Thank you for connecting. Of course, those of you who's not connecting to the Discord community, you're welcome to join. It's a free education. The link is in the bio. Thank you for the trader that give me the attention and woke me up about the link that was not working. It was expired. Now we fixed the link. The link is now on. It's valid. You can click it, tap into the community, meet new trader, new strategies, and trade with the community. It's easier to trade when you trade with more people. You get more knowledge, you get more education. Of course, you're not alone. So a good morning to you guys, and let's dive in and talk about the Nasdaq. So as I said before, we see this red line that we pre-marked days ago, which parallel to the demand area, with a high potential of flip and reverse. We see the flip of hands in this candle right here. I'm gonna mark it for you guys. This candle right here, we see a flip and reverse. Of course, the price now going upwards towards the 4 hours. 4 hours supply, which is going to be marked over here, and all the way towards this major demand area, trying to complete the full move. And then we'll see, we examine how it's going to look, if it's going to retouch and dives down back or go up. So let's dive in, go into the 4 hours interval. With the 4 hours interval, we already see that the price already close to the 4 hours demand pool, which is basically right here, marked pre-marked right here. So we have this range right here, this gap to trade. I'm gonna mark it for you, this gap, this right here, which is a lot of meat. Of course, we already stationed a limit buy position over here. Let's talk about this position for a sec. Going to the 15 minutes interval, we see how the price behave exactly as expected. From yesterday to today, we see how the price keep climbing up with no sign of weakness. So if we put the day profile and the night profile, we see how the price reacts and behaves. So basically, in blue right here, we can see right here the night profile, and we see over here the day profile, and this is the previous day profile and previous night profile. We see accumulation of energy. If you see the candles right here, accumulation of energy towards a bigger move, basically non-supportive volume to get into a short, although we were in a 4 hours supply pool, and this what happened in the rest of those supply pools right here. We did not see supportive candles and a supportive volume to take a short position. Therefore, if you're still in the market, you will not not execute a position right here. You're gonna wait for the validation. As we see, the validation comes out within this day profile right here. So the price still being traded in the range of the previous night and previous day, and we see how the price opened over here on the POC of the previous day, going upwards, and basically create us a new demand pool right here, minor demand, which is parallel to the low value area. So possible position of the day, we already stationed one. We're just gonna talk about it in a nutshell. Of course, we're gonna elaborate on our Discord channel. What do we want to see is the following: the price basically rise up, and from the low value area, either going to the PS in reverse, either go to the low value area, retest this area again, and reverse upwards, That's one was two positions. Second position, basically we want to see the price going upwards and then lands on the high value area, flip and reverse upwards to the supply area over here, test it, and even make it possible short position it towards down and then upwards again. So all in total we get 6 positions over here. Of course we need to examine all of them when the price reaches those areas. I'm gonna cancel this area so it's gonna be easy to see. Also we have a short tip over here. We see that basically the price market profile start to build up in a P shape, basically a strong push up, climbing up, strong rally from an institutional buyer. We also see over here how the price slowly but surely is climbing up. We see the short tip. The short tip, it means that the price is trying to achieve to go upwards. It means that it can expand upwards right here. We see a strong and long initial balance, which is marked with this white line right here. It means that as wide as it gets, that the chance for the price to expand upwards or downwards is shorter, but it still exists. With the short tip right here, we see how the price is trying to achieve to go upwards again. So we have a couple of positions. Those who want to station this position with us, we see we're risking only $1,000 in order to create $5,370 in one contract. Of course, everybody with his own risk management. If you're gonna expand this thing, if you desire, it's basically a double down, basically risking 2,140 to create 10,740, which is amazing. Of course, everybody according to his risk management. As a disclaimer, always in this channel and other channels, this is not a substitution for financial advice. This is just our trending ideas. You're welcome to join or you're welcome not to join. It's up to you. Everybody according to his risk management and the factors. Those of you who DM me lately, they want to get more knowledge about the markets, I'm always referring you guys to our website. The courses are available. They are affordable. It's a course that which you can take and expand your knowledge and get yourself a tool for financial freedom. Learn, educate yourself. This tool can give you a lot of joy and a lot of a release from many situations. Of course, in order for you to get to a position where you're day trading for a living, you have to experiment and you have to treat it as a business. I said it multiple times. In the first steps, you cannot base your whole life about it. Definitely, you can create an income, make yourself an expert in the field, trade. Do not be afraid to lose, because this is part of trading, and you should calculate the risk accordingly. Of course, you should achieve to at least 80% good trades. It means for every 10 trades, at least 2 of them go wrong, which is perfectly healthy. Obviously, we're not wishing it for anybody, but this is a very, very fair trade. So all in all, your portfolio is going up, and you're risking and you manage your risk accordingly. How you're gonna do it? Of course, there's a way to educate yourself. The course is also online. We also have a personal mentorship program. If you just started, if you are in the markets for a while and you want to sharpen your knowledge, this is available to you as well. Go to the website, check the courses. The syllabus is also detailed on the website. Of course, we always here to help. You're always welcome to DM, to leave a comment. Of course, we're gonna try to help as much as possible. If you're just intrigued about the market, connect to the Discord channel. Of course, it's completely free education just for you. This is part of our a giveaway for the communities. So if you're intrigued, it's out there. Go educate yourself and bring yourself some knowledge. I can give you another tool to create an income and get to the destination you desire, which is definitely can be financial freedom. I want to wish you a successful trading for today, and obviously I'm gonna see you, God willing, in the next market overview and the Discord community. We're gonna continue this talk in the channel. I wish you successful trading, and I'll see you in the next market overview. Thank you for watching.